Namaste, dear children. Welcome to today's session. So, in last session, we saw how to say understood, avagatam, yes, no, na, and so on, right? So, in today's session, we are going to learn some more important words that we use in our daily lives. Okay? So, Nidhi, is there a pen in my hand?
It's not there.
It's not there. Okay. Is there a phone in my hand?
It is.
It's there. Okay.
Yes.
And is this phone close to you, close to the camera, or far from the camera? Now, what about now?
Close, near to the
Okay,
camera,
and
far
now
from the camera,
far.
away. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So we can see that we have used four different ways to say how objects exist, right? So something exists, or something doesn't exist, or something is close to us, or something is far from us. Okay, so let us learn how to use these in Sanskrit. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Very good. So the first word that we are going to see is to say that something exists. We say asti. We say asti. Okay. So in the picture, what can you see, Nidhi, in the first picture? What is the
The
object?
fan. The fan is there.
Yes, the fan. What do you call it in Sanskrit?
Vyajanam.
Very good. So is the fan there in the picture?
It is there.
So it is there. So we can say asti. When something is there, we say asti. So we say vyajanam asti, meaning fan is there.
There.
Okay, let's repeat. Vyajanam
Vyajanam
asti.
asti.
Once again, vyajanam
Vyajanam
asti.
asti.
Together, vyajanam asti.
Vyajanam asti.
Very good. Now look below on your desk. So if you have a pen or a pencil, take it up in your hand and say Lekhani asti.
Lekhani asti.
Once more, Lekhani asti.
Lekhani asti.
Very good. If you have a book in your hand, try telling it.
Pustakam asti.
Very good. Pustakam asti. Now it is not there. If it is not there, how do we say? We add a na to the asti and we say nasti. We say nasti. So in the second picture, Nidhi, can you see the fan?
No.
So the vyajanam is not there. So we say vyajanam nasti. Let's repeat. Vyajanam
Vyajanam
nasti.
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 Very good. Now together. Vyajanam nasti.
Vyajanam nasti.
Yes. Very good. So we have seen asti and we have seen nasti. Asti to say something exists or something is there, and nasti to say something is not
Not
there. Okay, very good. So we saw asti and nasti. What if we wanted to say it's near or far? Then let's see the next words. They are atra and tatra. Okay, so atra means here, something is close, and tatra is far, something is far. Okay, let us use our hand. Take the right hand up. Very good. Say atra,
Atra.
point far, and say tatra.
Tatra.
Very good. Atra,
Atra.
tatra.
Tatra.
Very good. So atra means here. Atra means here.
Here.
Yes, and tatra means far. Yes. repeat these two words together, okay? Atra
Atra.
and tatra.
Tatra.
Yes. Atra here,
Atra here.
tatra far.
Tatra far.
Yes, very good. Now look around and see which of your friends are nearby and which of your friends are tatra or far. Okay? So let us use these words as much as possible in our classes and in our lives. Okay? So atra, tatra, here, there, and asti and nasti. Something is there and something is not there. Okay? Very good. Now let us meet in next session to learn more words. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.